That wind spread pretty fast through the metro as well. Anchor Royal Day is live to show you the dust and gusts that blew through town today. Royal.
Well, Shelley, let me show you what folks in the metro are thankful for tonight. Take a look at those flags blowing in the wind, but that is a far cry from what we saw earlier today. The wind was so bad out here, it created a haze of dust over the metro. The best way to gauge the power of the wind? Listen. The gusts downright awful Tuesday. Dust blowing everywhere, creating a thick dirt cloud over the metro. So thick you could hardly see the top of the Sandias when looking east. The wind is absolutely vicious here in Rio Rancho. It is cold and it is strong, and the people who live here tell us their best bet is making a mad dash to where it's warm inside.
I'm just trying to stay inside where it's warmer. Today got real cold for some reason.
Need to bundle up because the wind is pretty strong.
Store signs and banners whipping around the city of Vision. Traffic moving along through a haze. Most just doing their best to avoid the gusts until they die down and it warms up. Looks like you got the right hat for this wind.
I think I do. For an old man.
Again, flags blowing tonight here in the metro area. We are getting a little bit of a break from what we saw again earlier today, but when you add the winds right now with that cold weather, it is very brutal out here. Again, we've been telling folks all night long, if you do have to head outside, please bundle up. Reporting for you live tonight in the metro, I'm Royal Day, KOAT Action 7 News.